The Android ActivConnectG box is preloaded with a few apps. To add more apps to the Quick Launcher, you'll need to go to the center, click and hold, and select Add Bubble. From here, we're going to scroll down until we find Generic App, and then we're looking for the Google Play Store. I'm going to select this app, and now notice it populates onto my Quick Launcher. Currently, I have the Opera browser as a Quick Launch app, but I want to add Google Chrome. So in order to do that, I'm going to first go to the Google Play Store, and I need to add my Google account. I'll type in my username, I'll type in my password, select Next, and I'll accept the terms. Again, I'll accept the terms, and I'll select Get Started. So I want to download the Google Chrome app, so I'm going to select the app and select Install. I'll accept. Now instead of clicking Open, I'm going to go back to the Home screen. So I'm going to click my pink power button, select Home, and now I want to add Google Chrome as a Quick Launch bubble. So I'm going to go to the center, click and hold. I'm going to select Add a Bubble. I'm going to look for Generic App. And now I scroll down my list until I find Chrome. So now the Chrome browser has been added to my Quick Launcher. I would like to delete the Opera browser off my Quick Launcher. In order to do that, I'm just going to go to the bubble. I'm going to click and hold, and then select Remove. Let's go ahead and go to the Chrome browser. I'm going to launch this. You don't have to sign into Chrome, but by signing into Chrome, it brings all your bookmarks, history, and other settings to all your devices. So anything you update on one device instantly updates everywhere else. And select Continue. And then OK, got it. So now let me go back home. And now when I select the Chrome browser, it's going to open for me. If your ActivConnectG box has received the latest update, when you go to the pink power button, you'll notice that there is an additional icon. Now looking left to right, there is the Screenshot Annotate, the Instant Whiteboard, Home, and now here's the newest icon that they've added with the update. It's the Back button or the Return button.